पाजी ऐसे ही एक ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेटर हैं
अच्छा,
जिनका एक इंडियन लड़की पे दिल आ गया और वो उससे शादी करने के लिए कुछ भी हद तक जा सकते हैं, यहां तक कि हमारे शो तक आ पहुंचे हैं.
मैं सर वाह,
So please welcome all the way from Australia, Mr. Brett Lee.
खेल के मैदान में जिसने एक तरफा अधिकार किया है, सुन लो गुरु, खेल के मैदान में जिसने एक तरफा अधिकार किया है, अपनी घातक गेंदबाजी से अनेकों बल्लेबाजों का शिकार किया है. ब्रेट ली, तुम चाहे क्रिकेट खेलो या करो अदाकारी, ब्रेट ली की हर अंदाज के ऊपर दुनिया ने बेइंतहा प्यार किया.
क्या बात है. So I will make you understand in short. He said, the whole world loves you. Am I right?
Thank you very much.
करेक्ट.
मुझे लगता है जितनी स्पीड से इनकी बॉल आती है ना, इतनी स्पीड से आएंगे करके.
No, no.
मैं बोलूंगा ओ
बैट्समैनों को थोड़ा डर लगता था,
जी.
लड़कियों को प्यार आता है.
बताओ, समझा दो ना, क्या क्या बोला आपने.
The batsmen feared him. The women love him.
Is it true, Brett?
What do you think?
I think a lot of girls.
You reckon? No, well, look, firstly, thank you very much. Namaste, namaskar.
नमस्कार.
Sat Shri Akal ji.
Copy to all जी, copy to all जी.
Aap kaise ho?
मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ. I'm very good and I'm happy to know that you can speak Hindi so that my burden is low now.
Thoda Hindi.
थोड़ा थोड़ा सेम है. इंग्लिश थोड़ा थोड़ा, बहुत ज्यादा थोड़ा, इतना सा.
Perfect, we're right.
Brett, you are smarter than a smartphone.
You reckon?
You know, long height, fair like a milk with some kesar in its side. Like hair like gold. My words are emptying. Actually, my words are finishing, but your smartness is increasing, and I'm sure girls must be crazy about you. But you are crazy about a girl in your movie. So why is this thing reversed from your real life? Thank you.
Well,
And you will be glad to know that I learned this question only in 7 days. 7 दिन में मैंने तैयार किया. मैं फटाफट बोलना है. So,
how's it different to real life? Well, in real life, I'm very happily married
okay, that's a good thing.
to my Sundar ladki back home.
बहुत सुंदर लड़की.
No, but look, it's. I think most importantly in life, it's about having fun. As the reason why we're on the show tonight, I love how he's sitting there like a king. Look at him, like a king.
He's sitting like a king, and the queens and queens and the queens. In India, marriage is a long process.
It's like a test match.
It's more than a test match. More than a test match. Like marriage in England is like a 2020.
I'm glad he said England, not Australia.
But in India, it's a long, long process. First, the parents of girls and the parents of boy, they will meet. They will decide.
Right.
Then all relatives have to meet with each other's families. Then a Pandit ji will come. A priest, right? The priest, priest. He will decide through his books.
I better just write that down, priest. Okay. Yeah.
Priest. He will decide if they both are okay with each other in the future.
And then फिरे.
Then halwai will come. Halwai means the chef. Chef will come to decide about the main menu.
The chef.
Chef will decide what kind of sweet should be there in the marriage.
So a chef's got a clear, decisive moment of what happens in a marriage.
He will decide right with the mutual understanding with the parents. So he will decide what kind of sweets should be there in the marriage. After that, in the end, boy and girl will meet in the presence of more than 1,000 and 1,200 people. In short, I would like to say the boys and girl will meet alone on the wedding night. Now you can understand the frustration of guy. That's why, that's why our population is too much. Am I right, Baji? You know, Indians are very passionate about, in their 30s even, Mother is asking, when you will marry? He will say, no, no, no. But once he will marry, he's like make a rail
Are you
of kids.
you married?
No.
When's the chef coming?
Chef is not always coming. He coming sometimes. But sometimes there is a plate system. You
Just
just go to
like-
hotel and you order at a per plate system. Then if we are 100 people, we have to pay according to our 100 people.
Right.
Per plate, 100 people. But we are very smart. We eat only one plate. All 100 people can eat in one plate only. So we can save the money.
Perfect.
ओके हम ब्रेड से और भी बातें करेंगे ब्रेड प्लीज हैव ए सीट जोरदार तालियां हो जाए ब्रेड के लिए ब्रेड टेल मी वन थिंग डू यू लाइक बॉलीवुड
I love Bollywood.
विच एक्ट्रेस यू लाइक मोस्ट
Oh, you'd have to say Pretty Zinta, you know,
क्या बात है गुरु
because she hired me for the first 3 years of IPL.
किया का भाई
प्रीति जिंटा ने मुझे पहले 3 साल आईपीएल क्रिकेट खिलाई तो वो तो
अच्छा।
अच्छी होगी
She was the boss.
शी वाज द बॉस
एंड यू लव योर बॉस
You respect your boss.
एक्चुअली आई आल्सो लाइक वन एक्ट्रेस फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रेलिया निकोल किडमैन
Yeah.
She's very long, she's very tall. You know, a boy have to jump to kiss her. She's so tall. Please, can you give her a message to Nicole that she's so pretty that I can marry her even like yesterday? Sorry, tomorrow. I mean, I can marry her like.
See, like if I was standing here now and just say I'm Nicole Kidman,
Okay.
you'd have to stand up on here.
She's so long.
Yeah, so you have to go up on here now,
Okay.
and that would be that'd be better.
Hi, Nicole.
Hello. This is getting very, very weird.
Nicole.
Yes.
बेटा ये निकोल नहीं है इसकी
yes.
पप्पी मत ले लेना
Okay, tell me one thing, Brett. How you know that Nicole is so long? You have
I love
seen
how
her
you use the
very
word
closely?
long.
Okay.
We say tall.
फिर नहीं पता चला पाजी क्या हुआ?
कह रहा है अंग्रेजी में टॉल होता है तू लॉन्ग ही कहता जा रहा
Yeah, okay. Long. So tall.
है टॉल
She's very tall, and she is a fantastic actress. You know, a great a great person to come out of Australia.
Very nice. Tell me one thing, Brett. If I have to impress an Australian girl, what will I have to do? I mean, I'm just asking. I'm just taking one to take some
speak
tips.
good English
Speak good English.
Yeah.
I mean to say suicide. Instead of English, what can I do to impress a Australian girl?
I think you have to be a romantic.
I am too
You
much
know,
romantic. You know,
you-
sometimes my romance is coming out from my shirt, and I don't even realize.
You'd probably say something like, she'd be sitting here, your Sundar Lediki, sitting right here, and you'd have an ik chai,
Chai, yeah.
and you'd say, do you want to come back to your house for a chai?
Okay.
And you'd
Okay. So I should take that girl to my home for chai.
so you go in here for a chai,
Okay.
and when you go in first, she locks the door, and then you stay inside. That's what happens.
You insulted me very well. मैं भी सोचूं चाय पीनी है तो घर क्यों लेके जाना बाहर पियो चाय वेरी स्मार्ट आंसर आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू एक्चुअली ब्रेट ना अपनी फिल्म में एक टीचर बने हैं जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया से बाहर से आए लोगों को ऑस्ट्रेलिया के कल्चर के बारे में बताते हैं भाषा के बारे में बताते हैं सो यू आर प्लेइंग ए टीचर वो समझाओ पाजी So in the movie, he teaches to people about Australian culture and language. Is the same culture similar to India? Like in India, our mothers used to feed our kids like my mother sitting there. She's understanding nothing. But she's enjoying because her son is earning good money.